If your sheet set doesn't come with a pocket, what are you even doing? This pocket has been so handy. You can throw your phone, your water bottle, your snacks, whatever you want right in there. I have one on my side. My husband also has one. This is the bedding set I just got right here from the TikTok shop. It is so nice. It's 7 pieces. It comes with a pillow sham, pillowcases. It comes with a top sheet, a fitted sheet, and of course the comforter, which is so incredibly good. It's so soft and so cozy. My husband and I love it. But the best part is this pocket. We have both found that we love this pocket. I throw my phone in here every single night. I even throw some snacks in there when I come to bed. If your sheets don't have it, you guys need to click the link and grab yourself one of these sheet sets. They come in so many different colors and all the sizes, and they are so beautiful.